welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Chief Minister responds to maternity leave disparity question in Meghalaya Assembly. Yamaha R15 V stolen from house in Ribhoi district. Women grateful after successful cyst removal at Khuborjylla Civil Hospital. And Kiva Homestay hosts Women Entrepreneurs Meeting for International Women. And now the news in detail. In the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, North Shillong MLA by Adalbert Nongrum raised a query regarding the difference in maternity leave between government employees and those in private or contract jobs. In response, Chief Minister Khuborkhasi clarified that the disparity is minimal. He explained that non-government employees' maternity leave follows the Central Maternity Benefit Act, while government employees in the state are governed by the state maternity rules. The Chief Minister emphasized that the difference in leave entitlements is not significant between the two categories of employees.
Average.
Now we move on to next question. Question number 69, raised by Adalbert Nongrum. Sri Conrad K. Sangma, Chief Minister, to reply.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to Star Question 69A. Sir, for regular government employees, they are governed under Subsidiary Rule 111 of the Meghalaya Fundamental Rules and Subsidiary Rules 1984 as amended, is as per statement placed on the table of the House at Annexure 1, 2 and 3. For private enterprises, they are covered under the Maternity Benefit Amendment Act 2017, is as per statement placed on the table of the House at Annexure 4. A brief note on the reply is as per statement placed on the table of the House at Annexure A. B. Sir, yes, as stated at A above, copy of the Government Rules and Act is attached. C. Sir, does not arise in view at A above. D. Sir, since the existing government rules does not cover the non-permanent, casual, contractual, ad hoc and muster role, they shall be granted maternity leave under the Maternity Benefit Amendment Act 2017, an amendment to the Maternity Benefit Act 1961 is as per statement placed on the table of the House at Annexure 5.
A Yamaha R15 V4 motorcycle ML10D0896 belonging to Alisha Kurba was stolen from her residence in Umdihar, Ribhoi district. The incident occurred recently and Kurba has appealed to the public for assistance. She urges anyone who spots the stolen motorcycle to immediately contact her on the following numbers: 93668 or 8787455700. Angelos Linkoy, a 50-year-old resident of Ngunrao, Southwest Khasi Hills, expressed her heartfelt gratitude to the doctors, nurses and staff of Khuborjylla Civil Hospital for successfully removing a 5.7 kilo cyst from her body. Linkoy had been suffering from the condition since April 2024 and had consulted several doctors, but none were able to provide relief. Finally, she visited Dr. Suting at Khuborjylla Civil Hospital, where the cyst was removed on March 6th. Overwhelmed with appreciation, Linkoy thanked the medical team for restoring her health. She now feels physically revitalized and is deeply thankful for the care she received.
Ulahi berlek kita tanre don ki parolok ki ba omba ilalahi berlek ya kum kita ki pangmo nang sepersang berlek ikini menta ke ngalap bakanika hapok unik kenyang hapok hapok dengar ngasnya bakamit dengar kala kampermo kam don siu de ngakepat bat ngadap dak kejis nyawu kabakra kamtam nakal yang jong I doktor syuting ibalai yang ibalai ban pelai im yang nama tip lada imlap ma I tip ngalong kumnu tinggal dak kejis men kabakra nak kabentai jui bat kumjuru ki para Kristen barok mo ki badon lang ni lania kiwi pat ki jaka mo ngimla mantip ngimla bani Henry blay don rekat bat ki bat kawai ru namar ni sai sneu ba ki briu kim radon kata ka jing sanya ba kim patla mo banle ya kum ki ni ki jak nya jipang lani banle ya kum ki ayu ki badon kam Henry ngangit scam da ngaya ladi ngadasanya dot bat mensim ngalalap hi markman daladi ya ka jimpang hadu kan ni namar jimpang nga udon hadu 1 kilo news pa gram ti lalong kumbamo kum kun baladap snem ndrei ngangit scam ba ublai ula bantip na kabentai juga ula bantip ban ai ki cina distat na kabentai ju I doktor syuting kanu ngadap dak kejukmen ke bakrau kamtam na kabentai jong I kamtam ki ba ki ba mut ban le iwat dawai ni habadon kum uni yang nipang ngaya ladi ngalala
Kiva Homestay, a prominent tourist resort in Sedle, Nostan, West Khasi Hills district, organized a meeting of women entrepreneurs on March 10th to celebrate International Women's Day. During the event, women like Kismas Marbanyang, Barisha Dakar, Pinjab Lengkoi, Lucy's Emle and Buthanpis Marbanyang, the owner of Kiva Homestay, shared inspiring stories of success. They encouraged each other to persist in their businesses and strive for income-generating opportunities. Buthanpis Marbanyang, who started her tourism venture as a small business, was recognized with the Indian Responsible Tourism State Award 2024. The event highlighted the importance of women supporting each other and achieving success in various entrepreneurial fields.
Introduce secara de kakerteng janga de da pilin merin dok nong lai bat ngasyong asa hapo tisau bat ngade ru ikoni kong jeng email jungi ikerteng isunita merilin dok nong lai te nikong siap ngaingu ible try kenrat uba la petin ki yengi man kasngi te aku apa ni tu epi yang ni menta ba nga kum ka riukun thei ngamla bangan suap tang ye ilok nolor bangan adon lok te ngamla ban ap tang na imo bersyang ban leki kinu ki kam ki barit bat nga mentang set ru cake te nga bersyang hi ban ngan sunas usabon tang ba mentang adang dan hakijing training te bat kawi ru nga lek kelas ledi te ka poru ka kendiat nga bat sakawi ru nga set lek kini ki social media ban video hapo YouTube ki komedi le ki series te bat nga ai kuble ru epi ba pila ju kersan yang na kapor te nga karpat epi ki longkni ki kentai te nga karpat epi wat pinana e ya ka nuka sap ka ba pidon henry mi chekmat ban tray kinu ko kamru kamlele wala da pi dikwai wala da pi shong dukan di do ne pi shong kinu dukan ga bariru wat le ran henry mi chekmat ban kamai ban ndap pendeng ya kaying kasem pa jompi dengan karpat pitang kumta te kuble shibut.
Farmers and traders in Shillong are grappling with a sharp decline in broom prices this year, significantly impacting their income. During a visit by Donbosco Media Network reporters in a market at Mauyong Megafet, both groups expressed concerns about the price drop, which has affected their financial stability and household needs. Farmers and traders who source brooms from various villages revealed that the best quality brooms are now priced at just 50 to 55 rupees per kilo, while lower quality brooms are priced between 25 to 30 rupees per kilo. Traders exporting brooms to the Indian market also noted a significant drop in demand across India. Additionally, a lack of proper storage facilities has made it harder for traders to manage their stock, as the brooms are vulnerable to damage in rainy conditions. Despite these challenges, traders continue to export 1,500 to 2,000 tons of brooms daily to the Indian market.
70% di generasi besar. Tong lajan man kat kuying long jinbaro tiarap tong basukin entah bagi tim jadi ba bakam ya im kat tiarap besar. 20% ni nga cek tanah tu harga kendai arjas pro mulai jadi laki wegla dan bakam chua ta kepada ya pun bahag di orang tika entah arjas pro senang oh namar entah ni kepada tinggi peja kanu bakam dan yo entah namar Khubor macam ting kam entah waladaka itu kadang tat mah Khubor macam tambah tat lut ya bro ni iyo menjor mentah sibuk macam ni di Khubor macam ni lah ni tang atau kasih kilo ru nomor baru kita ngestat dor bah ki Mario utama tinggi iyo dari mentah pada ki Mario baru kita pada besar tan di negara bawah dah berkat di Khubor kemudian sebenjar bah pada besar agak jisya tingsi oba kaman pesu bandrep aku itu hinyum dan latsio hal jare ni de kan dem kaman pesu nomor bawah tador balat teman hatam ini di Arsenal dela tador ha bun nang ini bun nim wat ya karam ke pagi bam nang hujan hujan rumim la ban su nomor tador balat desa ban hapan kemai jadi kesem ban sem mai ngimla ban asul untuk ngimla nomor wanitanya ke bam ni ya bam nang tuhi di terabut di sistem di pelat ini di nomor tambah nek pemerintah stang lah nak kalian ketukar kalawan ai kan gunu kalawan ya rabla kita aku lagi nomor sistem kata kita suci dunia haga jing ya kayo di mas ka lamun ini.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.